What's up guys, welcome back, and in this video I'll be unboxing the Yunicorn. It's a branch of Micromax. Let's get on with the unboxing. You can see this is a cardboard box and we slide it open. First of all, we get a pamphlet with some paperwork. It contains the user guide, the SAR information, and the warranty card. And here we get the SIM ejector tool. Anyways, we keep it aside. And here we get the phone. So this is the phone. There's a plastic over here. Let me peel this off. This is the phone. We keep this aside for a few moments and let's see what else we get in the box. So here is the earphones. It's an in-ear type, but we don't get any extra ear tips. We have the charging cable or the data transfer cable. It's the micro USB type, not type C. And this is the type A. And here we get the charging brick. It's not a fast charger. Let me show you the output. It's 5 volts, so not a fast charger. And we get nothing else in the box. We'll come back to the phone. This is the phone. It has a, let me show you the features, what it says in the box. So here it is. This is a processor of MediaTek Helio P10. It has an octa-core processor of clock speed 1.8 GHz. It has a GPU of Mali T860 and has a screen of 5.5 inch full HD display with 2.5D glass. It's a 32 GB ROM, 4 GB RAM. That's nice. And it's 13 MP rear camera, 5 MP front camera. It runs on Android Lollipop, but I've recently updated it, so it's now in Marshmallow. It has a battery of 4000 mAh, quite a huge battery. And these are all the bands. This is connectivity. It has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth version 4.0, USB 2.0. It has GPS. It has proximity light accelerometer, and it supports full HD recording, 1080p, and playback. So let's get back to the phone. Here's the phone. It's just the stock Android version. It runs on stock Android UI. Let me go to the settings and show you about phone. It runs on the Android version 6.0 currently, because I have updated it. See, so let me show you its storage. I've told you already. So out of 32 GB we get around 24 GB. So almost 8 GB is used. This is a pretty nice phone. Let's take some pictures. It has a 13 MP rear shooter. So bring this and I'll give you some samples. It is a pretty nice camera, it seems. It supports HDR and it lags a little bit while shooting. So it has a nice shutter speed. So these are the pre-installed apps. It has music by Ghana. It has what's new, cancel. It has around. It's a type of assistant inbuilt in this phone. And we get nothing else, just these basic apps. You get EU account. Okay, looks nice. It's a bit heavy since because of its massive battery, but it's okay. It's good to hold. It's compact, we can hold it easily. It's pretty nice. This variant is the rush silver, so it's a good color. You can also get it in the gold color. So this is, I've hope you guys like this video. If you do like, drop down a like. Don't forget to comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.